Friday night. Sparking breaker panel. 3 electricians called. 2 go to voicemail. 1 answers. 1 gets the job. Today we are breaking down how electricians and home service owners are using AI receptionists to answer every call, qualify every lead, and book every job, even while they are up on a roof. Missed calls are not a minor inconvenience. They are a direct hit to your bottom line. Most callers who reach voicemail simply dial the next electrician on the list. They do not leave a message. They do not call back. Let's look at how the old way stacks up against an AI-powered front desk. Before AI, after-hours calls go to voicemail. You manually call back leads the next morning, and by then half of them have already booked someone else. Emergency jobs get missed entirely. With an AI receptionist, every call is answered in seconds. The urgency is assessed on the spot. Jobs are booked directly into your calendar, and emergency calls are dispatched to the nearest available tech automatically. Same call volume, completely different outcome. Here is something you can do today before spending $1 on software. Open ChatGPT and ask it to build your call handling script. Tell it you run an electrical business and you need it to qualify whether a call is an emergency, think sparking outlets, no power, burning smell, versus a routine request like an outlet installation or panel upgrade quote. Ask for the full call flow with next steps for booking each type. In 5 minutes, you have a professional call script you can hand off to any automation tool or use to train a new hire. This is how smart operators start before they buy anything. Now let's look at the actual platforms built to handle this for you automatically. The first tool worth knowing is UpFirst, and it is built specifically for the trades. Not a generic call center product bolted onto an app, but a purpose-built AI receptionist for electricians, plumbers, and HVAC crews. Picture this. You are up on a rooftop solar install, hands full, phone vibrating. UpFirst takes the call, identifies it as a non-emergency panel upgrade request, and books the next day estimate without you touching a thing. By the time you climb down, the job is on your calendar. If you are running a multi-truck electrical operation and need more than just call answering, HouseCall Pro's CSR AI feature plugs call automation into a full home service management platform. Invoicing, dispatch, marketing, and now always-on call handling all in one place. Here is a real scenario. A customer calls at 11 p.m. about a generator failure. CSR AI takes the call, qualifies the emergency, dispatches it to your nearest available tech, and texts the customer a confirmation, all before your on-call guy even wakes up. For the solo electrician or small shop, Jobber is the platform most operators already know. Its AI receptionist and co-pilot add-ons turn a one-person electrical business into something that looks and operates like a much larger company. Every residential rewiring inquiry gets answered, every quote request gets logged, and you stay focused on the job in front of you instead of watching your phone. Here is how those 3 platforms stack up depending on your business size. Knowing which tool fits is one thing. Here is how to actually get it live in your business. The implementation path is simpler than most owners expect. You start by mapping your call types: emergency, routine, and quote requests. Then you build the qualifying script. Use ChatGPT if you want a head start. From there, you connect your calendar and any existing scheduling software. Run a 1-week pilot on after-hours calls only, so you can review what the AI handled and fine-tune the responses. Then you go fully live. Most electrical businesses are running in under 30 days. The question is no longer whether to use an AI receptionist. It is, which one fits your crew? Here is what operators are actually getting out of these tools once they go live. Every call answered means no more lost leads. Automatic emergency dispatch means faster response and better reviews. Hands-free booking means your techs stay focused on the job. And the professional first impression means you compete with larger companies even as a small shop. Before you go live, here are the moves that separate a smooth rollout from a frustrating one. Do start with your after-hours window. That is where you are losing the most jobs today. Do build separate scripts for emergency versus routine calls. And do review the first week of AI call logs yourself. On the flip side, do not try to automate everything on day 1. Do not skip the pilot phase, and do not use a generic customer service bot that has no idea what a breaker panel is. Think about what one missed emergency call is actually worth. A single after-hours electrical job can run $400 to $800 or more. An AI receptionist costs a fraction of that per month. The math is not complicated. If you are still letting calls go to voicemail while you are on a job, you are handing revenue to the electrician down the street who picked up. The tools exist, the implementation is straightforward, and the payback happens fast. Book a call and we will map out exactly which AI receptionist fits your call volume, service area, and crew size. No generic advice, just a plan built for your electrical business. And subscribe to catch our next breakdown on how AI is transforming dispatch for home service operators.